Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to earn more American Express membership rewards points with Rakuten app. If you love online shopping and earning rewards, Rakuten is one of the best tools out there. It's an online shopping portal that allows you to earn cashback or points from purchases you were already planning to make. With over 3,500 partnered retailers, Rakuten gives you countless opportunities to earn either cashback or American Express membership rewards points. Each dollar you earn as a cashback equals 1 cent, but membership rewards points can be worth 2 cents or more when transferred to travel partners, effectively doubling your earning power. Plus, Rakuten frequently runs promotions with 10%, 15% or even 20% cashback offers, which translates into 10, 20 or more points per dollar spent. A few things to note before diving in is that you must have an American Express card and earns membership rewards, such as the Amex Platinum card or Amex Gold card. Co-branded cards like Hilton, Delta, Marriott, Amex cards don't qualify, and you need to link your Rakuten account to your Amex MR account before you start shopping. Once linked, any new purchases through Rakuten will earn membership reward points instead of cash. Now let's see how to earn them points. If you're already not a Rakuten member, just go to their website and sign up to create a free account. Now log into your Rakuten account and click My Account. Navigate to Account Settings and set up your payment preferences under Big Fat Check. This is a Rakuten's term of cash payouts. Then click Switch to Membership Rewards Points. You'll be prompted to log into your American Express account to connect the two. Once linked, your Rakuten purchases will automatically earn Amex membership rewards instead of cash back. Now you're ready to earn, you can shop directly on Rakuten's website. Use the Rakuten browser extension, which alerts you when a store offers points, or download the Rakuten app for mobile shopping. If you want to try an item in-store before buying it, do so, then come home and place your order online via Rakuten to earn your MR points. So shopping portals like Rakuten are one of the easiest ways to maximize everyday purchases. By linking your Amex membership rewards account, you're turning simple online shopping into a powerful travel reward strategy. So next time you're checking out on your favorite site, make sure you're doing it through Rakuten. Your future self and your next trip will thank you. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I'll see you on the next video.